Hello friends, is rosemary really effective for growing new hair growth? So let's check it out. With this Lotus Organic Hair Growth Active Concentrate Serum, 100% certified organic actives, 100% प्योर रोजमेरी ऑयल। रोजमेरी तो आपको पता है कि बहुत इफेक्टिव है, यूज़फुल है हेयर्स के लिए। तो अभी हम चेक करने वाले हैं कि कैसा। प्योर एसेंशियल ऑयल बायोटिन helps hair growth and strengthens hair. Sulfate free, artificial fragrance free for all skin type. And the shelf life for this product is 3 years and the quantity is 28 ml. Let's check it out and let's try. OMG, it's a very great product. While applying, its fragrance is so mild and so organically natural. Lotus products are amazing, full of natural ingredients, and I just love it. And it also promotes hair growth, and you can see the baby hairs coming out of your follicles and your skin. It's a wellness product and it's a cruelty free product too. You can also check it out and the link in my bio, and do comment for more. I just love the results of rosemary lotus organic hair serum. Start your journey now and transform your look and your hair right here.